Dear viewers, today I want to talk about a structural injustice in Belgium and in our neighboring countries that has been going on for decades, in silence, behind closed doors of our family courts. In Belgium, 61% of applications for equal residence by fathers are rejected, and not on the basis of objective, substantive reasons, but via fallacies such as, the child still wets the bed, the father is unemployed, the mother is unemployed, the father does sports, reasons that in no way demonstrate that a father would be unfit to care for his child. What we see here is not an individual error of judgment. This is a structural pattern of bias in which fathers are not considered full parents, and that is pure discrimination. The government has been looking the other way for years and hiding behind this separation of powers. Judges should be allowed to judge completely independently, but that should not mean that judges are beyond any control or do not have to adhere to the Constitution. Articles 10 and 11 of our Constitution guarantee equal treatment of men and women. However, in practice it appears that fathers are often excluded from their right to equal parenthood. The rulings in family courts are too often not in the interest of the child, but rather seem to be in the financial interest of one parent, usually the mother, with benefits such as alimony, child benefit, and tax advantages. And as if that were not bad enough, the outcome of a family law case depends on where you live. In Ypres, a father is granted equal shared residence in only 30% of cases. In Mechelen, that is 85%. In Ghent, Bruges, Kortrijk an average of 35%. In Antwerp, 45%. Are fathers in Mechelen suddenly better parents? Or are we seeing the arbitrariness of a legal system that does not judge uniformly or fairly? A judge may be independent, but never irresponsible. Separation of powers also means mutual control. If a judge acts contrary to the Constitution, then that must be denounced. We are not asking for priority for fathers. We are asking for equal treatment. We are asking for the best interests of the child to truly be put first, and not the financial interests of one parent over the other. It is time to shine a light on this imbalance, for our children, for justice, for true equality in parenting. Stop discrimination against fathers. Fathers must be considered equal parents.